Yes po. Thank you so much. Ay, tao no, guys. Wala na magpapabati, guys. Kasi susunod yung iba. Picture na lang, picture. Pag wala pong pabati, picture na lang mga kakayanin. Yes po. Naka-video ako. Kunin mo na. Mars, alam mo rin, dito tapos. So, si madam mo. Sige, magsabi ka, naka-live naman ako. Naka-video ako. Kunin mo. Happy birthday.
Advance.
Thank you. Ayan, advance. Kasi hindi na kami makaano.
Everybody kami nahanap.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, salamat.
Happy birthday. Paolo.
Salamat naman sa inyo lahat.
Hi, Pao. Hi, Pao. Hi, Pao.
Yan lang. Sa part na to? Yung mga iba-ibang pagkain. So, I want to thank you everyone, Kim Pao Universe, for always supporting. Non-stop yung support nyo. Not just for Elevator, but also for my past films. I'm very grateful. Sana magustuhan na niyo yung pelikula. It's very inspiring. It's very feel-good siya. Parang sure naman ako na paglabas nyo din itong micro cinema natin. Sana happy kayo.
Thank you,
Paolo.
Salamat naman sa inyo lahat.
Hi, Pao. Hi, Pao.
When I see people I know around because I'm cast